What's your name?
Good morning. I'm Sarah. And you?
I am Alex. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
How are you today?
I'm feeling good, thank you. How about you?
I'm well too.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from San Francisco. How about you, Alex?
I'm from Chicago. I've never been to San Francisco. What's it like there?
San Francisco is a beautiful city. The lot of hills and the famous Golden Gate Bridge.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to visit one day. What do you like to do for fun, Sarah?
I enjoy hiking and photography. How about you, Alex?
I like playing the guitar.
That's great. What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy rock and blues music the most. How about you? Do you have a favorite hiking spot?
I love hiking in Muir Woods, just north of San Francisco.
Wow. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Whiskers. She's playful and keeps me company.
Cats are adorable. I have a golden retriever named Max. He's super friendly and loves to go for long walks.
Dogs are such great companions. They're so loyal and loving.
Max is a great friend. He's always excited to see me when I get home.
That's the best part about having pets.
Absolutely. Well, it was lovely talking to you.
You too, have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Sarah. Take care.
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more valuable language tips, and practice these sentences in the comments below.